Tired of spending all your time manually updating your blog or blog? Then get ready to unlock the power of automation with N8n. In this video, we'll show you how to connect N8n to Blogger and automate your content creation workflow. First, let's start with scheduling posts in your N8n workflow. Use a cron trigger node to set the desired time and frequency for your posts. Configure the cron node to specify the exact time, day, or even specific dates when you want your blog posts to be automatically published. Next, connect the cron trigger to a Blogger node. Here, you can define the title, content, and labels for your blog post. You can even dynamically pull content from other sources using N8n's expressions. Want to automatically post content from an RSS feed? Use an HTTP request node to fetch the feed and then use N8n's expressions to map the feed items to your Blogger node fields. You can also manage comments automatically. Create a workflow that monitors new comments on your Blogger blog and sends you notifications via email or Slack. N8n can also be used to track your blog's analytics in Google Sheets or even back up your posts. The possibilities are endless. By automating tasks like scheduling posts and managing comments, you'll save time and effort, freeing you up to focus on creating great content and growing your blog. Start automating your Blogger blog today with N8n. Be sure to like and subscribe.